Chùm điệp xua và có một can speak English with some ad. Ngày nay dân nâng riêng âm pi short vowel o. Dân nâng riêng âm pi xâm lên clay là bỏ xó và bỏ sạc o. Chẳng nó không bisa Anh lý bỏ dớ sạc cứ miền pram miền ấy khá miền e I O U. Hơi chương trình bỏ dớ cứ miền mà phây mùi miền B, C, D là hô tự là gì chẳng muốn đừng dương chập đâm mì riêng bỏ dưỡng dương trao đồng lượng pi xâm lý nhà so tiếng ổn nụ sân bờ dương đăng pi xâm lý và so tiếng ổn nụ hơi cứ viên mình phép nghe sưu xâm rạp dương riêngប្រកប ok chẳng dương chập đâm ta A xâm lý A B B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U R V W or V U or S or say S T U V W X W X Y Z and Z. Okay, let's start. Lesson 7 យើងនឹងរៀនអំពីសំឡេងខ្លីរបស់អក្សរ O អញ្ចឹងអក្សរ O សំឡេងខ្លីរបស់វាគឺអ O យើងរៀនប្រកបទាំងអស់គ្នា letter what letter is this D ដែរ D សំឡេងវា the អញ្ចឹងយើងសរសេរមក the អក្សរ D គឺយើងធ្វើអក្សរ C រួចហើយយើងទៅលើវាចុះក្រុមវិញមក the O R G G the R G dog okay so dog the dog the dog and two can you read this letter F makes sound F O R X fox okay fox right fox okay number 3 can you read it letter P O R T P pot okay very good pot 4 can you read it sorry hop ចឹងទាំងអស់នេះគឺជារូបភាពរបស់ពាក្យទាំង4នេះចឹងយើងទស្សន៍ទាយទាំងអស់គ្នាថាតើរូបភាពនេះត្រូវនឹងពាក្យមួយណា Okay let's start this picture what do you think is it a hop fox dog or a pot Okay let's see do you think hop with the word hop right okay yes you are right very good so this is the word picture hop hop មានន័យថា load hop 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 okay this is can you guess we have three words pot fox and dog which one dog fox no pot yes very good pot you are so smart okay pot and this what's this it's a dog it's similar to the dog but it's different they have the big tails and the fur so good this is fox you get fox so here it is the word fox right okay last is dog dog the dog okay very good let's say it together one more time dog fox pot and hop okay let's read this sentence can you read do you remember the side word the the how do we read this word it is the okay fox okay now you try to read okay this is sentence 1 please read before I ask you okay next the kid has a pot okay last sentence we read the and man the man has a pot okay let's read sentence once together the yes the fox the fox and can up hop o er it makes on over the pot so let's say the fox can hop over the pot this is the fox the fox is right here so he hop over the pot hop over okay so hop over he hop over the pot សត្វកញ្ជ្រោងនេះគឺវាបានលោតរំលង cái thùng này nè sạch cho chó cứ lốt rung lốt the part okay? He hops over he can hop over okay 2 where is my glue tape oh god it's gone sorry yeah next sentence the dog the dog is on Y. So letter Y, as I already told you in the previous video, letter Y can make 3 different sounds. Letter Y can make 3 different sounds. So E, I, and J. So now it is I on I my a lap your lap is complow dương á okay so the dog is on my lap so the dog is on my lap ឆ្កែហ្នឹងគឺនៅលើផ្លូវរបស់ខ្ញុំសត្វឆ្កែហ្នឹងគឺនៅលើផ្លូវរបស់ខ្ញុំ okay so if you put the dog on your lap you're gonna say the dog is on my lap third one can you read by yourself the kid this is a kid it's a con queen yeah the kid has a pot the kid has a pot so កូនក្មេងនេះគឺមានកធុងមួយ pot នឹងប្រែបានថាជាឆ្នាំងដំបាយឆ្នាំងឬក៏ពួកកធុងបែបនេះគេហៅ pot ដែរឬក៏ផើងផ្កាធំតម្រងបែបនេះក៏គេហៅ pot ដែរអូខេអញ្ចឹងក្មេងនឹងគឺមានកធុងមួយនេះ okay the kid has a pot last the man the man has the man has a pot the man has a pot the man has a pot okay the man with a short here I am the woman the man is opposite with the woman okay he has the pot គាត់មានឆ្នាំងមួយគាត់មានកធុងមួយ okay so let's read it one more time before we end our class let's go lesson 7 short vowel o mix on សំឡេងខ្លីរបស់អក្សរ o គឺ okay so the dog the dog so I should put 2 sentences different here right how silly am I so let's change here like this okay sorry haha it's so easy to do this it's more understandable than okay the fox can hop over the pot the fox can hop over the pot dog the dog is on my lap the dog is on my lap third the kid has a pot the kid has a pot last the man has a pot the man has a pot okay so today new words are fours. I hope you can read it by yourself. If not, just remember we have to practice every day to be perfect, okay? So learn step by step. If you have any comments or the lesson you want to know, please write it below so I can I can make more video to give you what you want so you can learn better. Thank you for watching my video. See you for the next video. Bye bye. Chuẩn bị lia.